Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share a message on Emo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Emo. Once you are here, choose the conversation you want. For example, let's choose the first group, this one. Now all you need to do is choose a message. Now you have the second option, which is share. Once you keep clicking on the message, they're gonna show you these options. Click on share, and here you can share this message to other contacts. Once you choose the contact you want, click on the blue icon and you're gonna share this message easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this video was helpful to you.